Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install NetBeans on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, the prerequisite of installing NetBeans is that you need to have Java installed on your Mac operating system. So if you don't know how to install Java, I have already created a video about it and I will put the link of that video in the description of this. So you can just click that link and watch that video and install Java. So once you have Java installed, let's start with the installation of NetBeans. So for that, open your favorite browser and search for NetBeans, and the first link which will appear here will be from netbeans.apache.org. So we are going to click on this link and straight away you will see this download button. At the time of making this video, Apache NetBeans 28 is the latest version. So we are going to click on the download button. And here on this next page, you will see few options: download Apache NetBeans, and it says binary source. We need the installer, right? So under installer and packages, you will see this option. We are going to click this option here. And then when you scroll down a little, you will see the option to download for Windows, macOS, and Linux. The one we want is this version, which is the NetBeans ARM64 version, right? So we are going to click on this option, which says macOS ARM64-bit, which is for the Apple Silicon based chips, right? So let me click on this option, which is going to download this package file. And once this pkg file for NetBeans is downloaded, I'm going to click on this Apache NetBeans package file, and then we are going to start with the installation. So first window here is for the information. So just click on continue here. And then it says this installation is going to take this much amount of space on your computer. So make sure you have this much amount of space and then click on install. And at this point, you need to give the MacBook's password, which you use to log into your Mac operating system, and then click on install software, which is going to start the installation process of NetBeans, which will be finished in few seconds. So just wait for that. And once this is finished, you will see the success message which says the installation was successful. So at this point, we can close this window, and we can even move the installer file to the bin folder because we no longer need this installer file. So I can just click on move to bin, which is going to move this file to the bin folder. But the installation of NetBeans is successfully done. So we can click on the apps option here. So let's click on the apps option, and on the first place you will see the NetBeans icon here. So it says Apache NetBeans. You can even search for a NetBeans here, and it's going to give you this option. So just click on this Apache NetBeans option here, and now you can see that this NetBeans window is open. So this is how it looks when for the first time NetBeans start. So here we are going to create a new project. So you have this option here which says new project. Also, if you go at the top, you can click on the new project and you will see different options to create a new project. So for now, I want to create a simple Java application using Maven. So I'm going to select this first option here and then select Java application under projects and then click on next here. Now on this next window, you can give the name to your project. By default, NetBeans gives some default name to your project, but if you want to change the name of this project, you can change it. And the location where this project will be created is this one. So if you want to change this location, you can change it also. But for now, I'm going to leave it as default. You also have group ID, version, and package options. I'm going to leave everything as default because for now, I just want to check whether everything is working fine with NetBeans or not. Let's click on the finish button, which is going to create our project, and this sample Java file is also created for us by NetBeans, and it says maven project 1.java, and it has created the main method for us. And when we run this project, we are expecting that it will print hello world, right? So the running of this process is also simple. You can just click on this run project button, which is going to build your project, and it's going to print the output of your project, which is hello world. Here you can see it has print hello world. If you change this output from here, for example, I'm going to add a few more exclamation points here, save my project, run it again, then it's going to compile this project again and just print that output here, right? Now, if you want to change some settings, let's say you want to change the Java version for compilation or any other things, you can click on Apache NetBeans here and then click on settings, and you will get the option to change many settings related to many languages, right? So for now we are interested in Java, so we can click on Java option here, and then when we click on Maven, because we have created the Maven project, you have all these options to play with, right? So Maven home is bundled, right? And then we are using the default JDK. So I have installed Java JDK 25, and NetBeans have recognized that and just set the default JDK as 25. You also have these other options you can use or change from here, right? If you want to build a GUI app, you can do it from here, and other apps also you can just change it from here. So that's it. We have successfully installed NetBeans on our Mac operating system, and we successfully created a sample Java project and ran it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.